Hello folks, I have some incredibly disappointing news. What you see before you isn't actually an early 30s Chevy Coupe. It is in fact a 1984 snowmobile. I found this out when I went to the Ministry of Transport to register it finally last week, and basically my ownership was never put in the system, possibly classed as disposed of, and was reassigned to a snowmobile in 1984. So this body is complete garbage. The only way to get this registered would be to fully restore it back to original, get it professionally appraised by somebody that they recognise as an official bureau, jump through hoops, go through all the red tape, and to be honest, it's not going to happen. It's just been modified too much. It's never going to be a 30, 31, 32 Chevy Coupe. So we're done. Pretty much all been for nothing. To be fair, it's my fault. As soon as I got the ownership, I should have registered it, and then I would have known not to put any money in it or time. But it's too late for that. So let's not cry over spilt milk. Let's find a solution without losing everything I put into it. So the best option, I'm thinking, is to find a nice real body with real ownership, current ownership that's in the system, and start again. The way I see it, the worst case scenario is I'll need to maybe extend the frame, front or back, not sure, but that's where we're at. So say goodbye to this rat rod as it looks. I'm about to chop it up. Thanks for all your likes and subscribes. I will update you as soon as I have news worthy. But such a lovely day, it's a shame, it's just so sad. Speak to you all soon. Bye.